Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode. My name is Fabio and today I am in Stradbroke Island. We got the ferry early in the morning and the plan is to stay here, camp for 2 nights, fish and explore the island. Let's go! Nice! Beautiful! Holy shit! Ocean view. Nothing can be better. Alrighty guys, so we got all the goodies. Cold ones, nice beers. And as you can see there, that's the beach access. I'm gonna air down the tire. We're gonna have to find camp. I'm only heading down to 20 psi just because it's been raining a lot lately. So the sand should be hard, you know, we shouldn't have soft sand. Alright guys, we are entering the beach, air down, and the sun is out. Oh yeah, we are on the beach. Have a go at this spot guys. Oh my god, there's the car. And look where is the beach. Can it get any better? I don't think it can. That's what I live for. Getting here in these places. That's it guys. Camp set up. Here's the rear of the car. Swag. Table, firewood. Here will be the chair. The fire is gonna be on the fire pit. And the view. How sick is that? So I found a gather, but I didn't catch anything. I got back to camp and I ate something, I had lunch, and now it's high tide. As you can see, the water is almost up to the dunes, so we can't do much. We're gonna have to stay here, and most likely I'm gonna relax and chop some wood, get ready for the fire. Good morning guys. As you can see, I woke up before sunrise and I went fishing, but no luck again. Now I'm just gonna have a quick breakfast and then we're gonna punch south. We're gonna go to the far end of this island, check it out, a little bit of exploring. Ew. Alrighty guys, we are on the move. We are punching south. Direction, jumping pin. Hopefully we're gonna find a nice gather to fish. Alrighty guys, we arrived to the far end of the island. I don't know if you guys can see it. That one is the channel that separates North Stradi, where we are in, and South Stradi. And apparently all this area is good for fishing. It's called jumping pin, or for the locals they call it the pin. I'm gonna try to fish something. Hopefully we're gonna catch something. Fish on, guys. Yeah, finally a fish. Looks like a good fish. Maybe a chopper. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, it's a big Tailor. Woo. Big Tailor. Oh, ho, ho. Look at this chopper. Big Tailor. Fuck yeah. Look at this bad boy, guys. Holy moly. Big Tailor, guys. Nice. Finally a fish. Another fish, guys. Let's see what it is. Ooh, a bream. Ah, that's a donkey. That's a very big bream, eh? That's a very big bream. Beautiful. Looks like the bites are slowing down, but we got a nice Tailor around the 50 centimeters, and we got like a massive bream. So we got dinner sorted. Let's see if we can catch something else. Fish on, guys. It's a small fish for sure. Nevertheless, it's a fish. It's a small bream. Ah, not so small, eh? It's a good fish. Legal fish. This one is a survivor, look. Something bit area. It doesn't have the spine at the back. And today is his lucky day. Gonna put it back in the water. Off she goes. So guys, stick till the end of the video. I'm gonna tell you what bait I use, the setup that I use for Tailor, the setup that I use for breams. Ah, fuck. Yeah. Big fish. Holy shit. No. Big fish. Man. That one was a big fish, eh? Maybe a shark. Fish on. I believe it's just a bream. In fact, a little bit more than a bream. It's a Tailor. Oh yeah. Another chopper. Another Tailor. A bit smaller than the other one, but still a Tailor. That wasn't a bad session. We got 2 Tailors, 4 or 5 brims. I only kept one. I got the massive hit that beat me off. I lost the fish. I don't know what was it. Probably was a shark, but it might have been as well a jewfish. So I guess we will never know. That's the last Tailor. Nice. This one was a bad boy. Look at that. Nice Tailor. This one was pretty big. And then we got this donkey of a bream. That's huge. Look at that. Massive bream. Nice. Tell you what, guys, all the fishing made me thirsty. Opa! Stradi. Cheers. Doesn't get better than this. Wow, that's nice. Actually very nice. It's time for lunch. And I'm gonna have some eggs, avocado, tomato. I've got some speck, pure fat. Oh, good, good. So tonight I'm gonna have this bad boy here on the charcoal. Beautiful. I tell you what, guys, I couldn't cook it better than this. Perfect. Good. Really good. Olive oil. Salt. Pepper. And lemon. That's it. I got up nice and early today. I packed everything. I left the campground because today is the day I'm going back home. But I still have a few hours to play, and I've got some baits left that I want to use. So I'm gonna try to fish this gara. When you fish on the beach, what you want to find is this deep channel. You're gonna have to find structure, and in this case structure on the beach are these deep channels called gutters. That's where the fish holds, and that's what you want to fish. Monster breed. Nice breed. Yeah. Fish on. It's a nice Tailor. Oh, look at this guy. That's a nice Tailor, eh? Big, fatty. Oh yeah. Nice, not Stradbroke Tailor. Last piece of mallet. Wish me good luck. So nice. Oh, another fatty bream. Oh, yeah. On the last piece of mallet, nice fatty bream. What I use is 20-pound braid. Then I have a running sinker with 50-pound fluorocarbon, uni knot to the swivel that connect the braid with the leader. There you go, uni knot done. This one is the swivel that connects the braid to the leader. Around 40 centimeters. Then we cut. That's the sinker that allows you, when the fish catch the bait, what happens is it's gonna pull the line and it's not gonna feel the sinker. Then I put this little rubber, you see, down. Then one more swivel, uni knot again, cut the tag, and then leader, 50-pound fluorocarbon to the swivel, again uni knot, done, cut the tag, and then have like a 40-50 centimeter of line between the sinker and the hook. I'm using a 6/0 Octopus Hook, and again uni knot 4 times, wet the line, tight, cut the tag. Then we put the sinker here. I use size 4 star sinker. There is a little bit of sweep. You want the bait to stay where you want it to stay. See? Done. Let's go fishing. I will leave all the equipment that I use in the description below, so go and have a look if you are interested. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, leave a like, it's gonna help me a lot. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please do, and I see you in the next adventure. Woo!